What inspires me to come to work every day is working with the customers. Just like where the staff really love their job and they come to the library every day, the customers also really love coming to the library. They come to the library because it's a nice place to study, a quiet place to study. Parents love coming and bringing their children because it's a safe environment. There's programming, there's books that they know their kids are going to love.
I really love seeing the different connections that people make between the books that we read and the programs that we do, especially with the younger children that I work with. And I also really love finding books for people who think they don't like to read or are here because their teacher told them they had to be. And then they learn that the library really is a fun place to be.
I learn something every day. Whether it's about a book I hadn't heard of or something that's going on somewhere else across the county, or whether it's a customer who comes in and tells me about a TV show that I hadn't heard of. I always know that when I come to work, I am going to expand my world just a little bit.
This job, there's a sense of mystery. It's, yes, people come up and ask about books, yes, we have lots of books, but you just don't know what they're going to ask about that. So it's trying to figure out, is their question the right question? And then how will I get to that answer for them? Hopefully they're walking out with something, either if it's physical in their hand or I've given them a bit of information that just made their day.
I get to come to work every day with people who are really passionate about serving the community, and they want to make Fairfax County a better place for all of our residents. And I feel that sort of warm-hearted, kind, and caring attitude from everyone I get to work with.
I love the friendship and the camaraderie here. I also love training and interacting with my staff. I love giving them new opportunities to use their interests and to have them use their interests on the benefit of the library.
The Fairfax County Public Library has 23 branches, as well as technical operations and administrative offices, with roles that range from branch staff and book selection to human resources and technology.
So there is a lot more than just librarians here. We have people who are interested in technology and working with our computer systems. We have people who really just like to be organized and put books on shelves. We have all kinds of different jobs, and it really is a fun and easy place to work. Not necessarily meaning that the job is easy, but everyone gets along with each other, and it's fun to help our community.
Most people, when you think about a library, you think about that sort of branch that you walk into and that sort of one-on-one customer contact, which is absolutely vital to what we do in our operations, but Tech Ops behind the scenes really has a different opportunity. We sort of think about things in a different way because we're thinking system-wide. We're thinking about all 20 plus branches in the system, as well as the potential of starting a new service and how to think how that will impact and ripple across this really large geographic area.
If you are a librarian and you've worked in the library system, one thing that I think that you would notice about Fairfax County specifically is that you have so many opportunities to try new things. We've got some great leadership, some great managers who, if you have an idea, they're just going to say, go with it, see what happens. And you may fail, and it's okay to fail. And we have a culture where, you can fail, but that's part of learning. You will definitely get a chance to learn new technology skills. When we do programming at the library, we have to do things like create flyers and advertising for it. So you may expand marketing skills that you never knew you had. So it's more than just checking books in and out or pointing a customer in the right direction. There's a lot you can learn, and you probably will be surprised at how much more there is to a library than that.
We strive to be a supportive environment that allows employees to learn new skills, take on new responsibilities, and grow their career.
My current role at FCPL is Assistant Branch Manager at Kings Park Library. I do have branch managers who are mentoring me, and some of their things that they are showing me is staff scheduling, how to increase programming, working with our supply and budgets and financials, how to have better customer service and create a more welcoming atmosphere for the library.
There's lots of training opportunities, but also a lot of teams and projects that staff can be on. So for example, I was really put on the tech team. I've been on a reference reading project that was system-wide. So there's just lots of opportunities. You're not just working at the branch, but you're working with people at other branches and other teams throughout the library.
So they're really good about communicating with staff, encouraging us to step out of our comfort zone, try new things, and they have such an open mind to what possibilities are out there.
A career with our library system also comes with generous Fairfax County government employee benefits, such as full and part-time schedules, medical and dental benefits, retirement savings, paid holiday, annual and sick leave, continuing education opportunities, an employee assistance program, and other work-life balance programs.
If you have a passion for helping others and learning new things, working at the Fairfax County Public Library is going to give you the opportunity to engage with that every day.
Imagine, discover, and connect in a career with your Fairfax County Public Library.